Hello everybody and welcome to a new vlog here in Tokyo. I am just getting ready for today, putting on some mascara because today we are going to the beach. Before my family moved here back in July 2022, I had no idea that a beach existed in Tokyo, but it does. And luckily it is just, I think it is about a 30-minute walk away from where we live and just 10 minutes by bus. So I'm super excited. And the walk there is over the most beautiful bridge you will see. We are now going to walk over the Rainbow Bridge, which is going to take us to Odaiba. And Odaiba is an artificial island here in Tokyo, and it is also one of my top 3 places to visit. The camera doesn't even do this beautiful view justice. It's so pretty. The main reason to why Odaiba is one of my top 3 places here in Tokyo is because Tokyo can be very busy and usually there's people like everywhere. So when you're entering Odaiba, it's sort of like a relaxing and calm space, and especially when I'm staying here for a longer time, I just truly appreciate that so much. For lunch today, I was craving something fresh, so I'm having this chicken salad as well as some tofu sushi pieces on the side. We're now just going to relax and I'm going to read on my Kindle. I just finished the book Carrie Soto is Back, and I really just wanted to recommend that to you guys because it was such a good story that just really catched me and I couldn't stop reading. But now I'm reading Forever Interrupted with the same author. It is time for some vending machine ice cream, and here we have it. I'm gonna go for this one. They even have palm trees here, and palm trees is just a small thing that whenever I see them, they just bring me so much happiness. Odaiba also have a miniature version of the Statue of Liberty. one of my favorite Japanese clothing brands. I just think everything here is so beautiful. People in Japan have thought about everything, because every time you're entering a fitting room you get this sort of face cover that is supposed to protect the clothes from any sort of makeup. I'm gonna put you right there. I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching another one of my videos. I'm so happy and grateful to have you here. So if you want to, and if you would like to make me very happy, make sure to give this video a like as well as a subscribe so that you don't miss my upcoming videos here from Tokyo, which I am super excited to share because they are great ones. So it is Friday evening and we are going to head out and get something to eat, and then just make sure to enjoy the rest of this day. So thank you so much for being here, and remember to take care of yourself.